Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on how I add pockets to this circle skirt, so if you're interested, keep on watching. So in this next clip, I'm just showing you guys how I serge my pockets. I'm going to repeat this step 4 times. So now I'm just going ahead and serging my side seams. So after I finish serging everything, I'm just showing you guys how I want to place my pocket. I measured 1 inch down from the waist, and that's where I want my pocket opening to start. So I'm just pinning it along the side seam. I'm repeating the same step on the other side. I'm just basting the pocket to the side seam, and I'm repeating that step 4 times. So now I'm just pinning my skirt front and my skirt back pieces together at the pockets and side seams. So this next clip is a little hard to explain. I'm just showing you guys now how I stitch around the pocket, and I'm trying to stitch so that I don't get any of the seam allowance caught from the side seam. So that's the first thing I start off with, stitching around the pocket. Next, I'm showing you guys how I stitch along the side seam. So I'm going underneath the opening of the pocket, and I'm trying not to catch any of the seam allowances again, and I'm just going to stitch straight down using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Position the pocket 1 inch down from the waist. You also want to go ahead and close up that at a 1/2 inch seam allowance, and you want to overlap a little bit of the top of the pocket opening. So you're not catching the seam allowances, but you want to overlap the top of it a little bit so that there's no holes or gaps in between your seams. I hope that makes sense. So now I'm just showing you guys how I attach the waistband. I thought I got a better view of this, so my apologies if you guys can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm just attaching the waistband at the top, and I'm stitching it now on at a 1/2 inch seam allowance. just showing you guys how I insert my zipper. If you guys want to see a zipper tutorial, you guys can just shoot it down in the comments and I will do a video just devoted to just putting in a zipper. So let me know. So here's the finished product. As you guys can see, I have 2 functional pockets. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see that zipper tutorial, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.